Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Yeah. Are we live? Are we live? Okay. Alright. Welcome to Orange Day 2020. My name is Sam and I'm talking to you from the Orange Day control room. Is that good? Can you hear that? Oh, we're live. I'm talking to you from the Orange Day control room, here in deep in the bowels of the Wellington City Council offices. Welcome to Orange Day. Later on, we'll be finding out who wins this prestigious award for 2020. And also, we'll be announcing the winners of our video competition. First of all, a big thank you to all the amazing kids out there who help keep each other safe every single day. There's 14,000 of you from 51 of our road safety schools, and every single day you do your bit to make sure everyone gets home in one piece. Couple of things. We're waiting for our community police officers at the moment, so if you see them, can you please let me know? I've also lost my zebra, Zara the zebra. We haven't seen her since last year. We have a big box of zebra poo and no zebra, so if you see Zara, just please let me know. Okay, we're just waiting for them to turn up. I'll see if I can get hold of them. They must have been delayed. Maybe they're waiting to cross the road. Hello? Yep. Have we got any police in the building? Okay, what, on the screen? Okay, we'll have a look at the screen and see if they come up there. Okay, I'll just switch it on. Right, ready to go. Right, let's see what we get.
Hey kids, sorry, I'm running a wee bit late. I know that you're all anxious about who's won the trophy for this year, but I'll be with you very soon. Take care, see you soon.
In the meantime, we're going to talk to a very important person. We're going to go live now to His Worship Andy Foster, the Mayor of Wellington. Hello, Mr. Mayor. Mr. Mayor, can you hear me? Mr. Mayor? Are you ready, Mr. Mayor? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. You're live.
Kia ora, everyone. It's great to be with you, even if it's only virtually. I wanted to say thank you to all of you for the hard work that you do in keeping yourselves, your friends, and your schoolmates safe each day getting to and getting from school. Look, I'd love it if we were able to get out on the street and to have the street parade, the Orange Day Parade, which is one of the highlights of the year. The chanting, the banners, it's just great fun. And I hope that that's something which we can all do again next year. So look, keep up the great work. Thank you. And kia kaha, everyone. Back to you, Sam.
Thank you, Your Worshipfulness. Very good. Next up, we're going to go to our judges, and they're getting ready to judge the video competition. Let's see what they're up to. We're going to go live to them now.
Think orange. Think orange. Oranges. Cones. Tigers vests. Cars. Pumpkins. Carrots. Tigers. Sort of. 9.2. 4.3. 8.1.
Well, it looks like the judges are in fine form. Let's have a sneak preview of the videos. We're going to watch some snippets of the first 4 now. Okay, first one up. Yep. Cue video number 1.
Welcome to Higher School Prohibition!
What you say? Well, I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go.
A road patroller is someone who keeps the community safe by letting people cross the road.
Signs out means that we put the signs out once the traffic is cleared on both sides. Check means that the traffic on my side of the road is not moving.
We call signs in as everyone has crossed and it's safe to bring the signs in. Signs in.
Signs out. Check. Clear. Cross now. Signs in. Signs out. Check. Clear. Cross now.
I hope I have a good day at school.
Signs in.
Yeah. Is that Officer Dan? Yep. Hi. Yeah. Where are you? Okay. I know. Traffic's crazy out there. I know. Just find a crossing. Cross safely, Dan. All right. Can we go live now? Yep. All right. Okay. Yep. The kids are waiting. Yep. We go live. Yep. Okay. We'll get you on screen now. You ready? Yep. Right. Here goes.
Hey team, sorry, I'm running a wee bit late now. I'm John, I'm almost there. I can see the building in the background. I just need to cross the road. Hey, what is that in the background? I'll be with you very soon, team. Have to go and investigate.
Right, kids, it's now time to watch the next 4 videos. Yep, we're going to go live to video number 5. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, action.
Could you guys please get off your scooters? Sure. Thank you. Welcome. Good afternoon, girls. Good afternoon. This is our Road Patrol dog panel. Good boy. Hi. We're the Road Patrol team. Woo! On patrol! Check, clear, cross. Now it's time for us to take a bow. Keep you safe all year round. On patrol is where we're found. Check, clear, cross. Now it's time for us to take a bow. M&S Road Patrollers! Woo! Nothing like ending Road Patrol with hot chocolate on a rainy day.
Well, the standard this year is pretty high, isn't it? I'm impressed with this. Who's got the tough job? Well, the judges have. And I hear it's all getting pretty intense in Judging Central. Let's go live there and see what they're up to. Queuing you in. Now.
That's very important in Wellington. It's always
sunny.
sunny.
That down there.
Oh, well, I think that one needs to go up there then. Dramatic. Drama. It was like Shortland Street. It was so good. But maybe that one goes up. Epic Cast.
Yeah. Do we think
Like
about
the
that one as much?
Avengers.
Maybe that one takes more.
So some great work there going on by the judges, and I think they've got the toughest job of all, trying to work out which is the best of all these great videos. They've got 47 different criteria, and we'll just go through them one by one so you know exactly what they're up to. The first one is the look and each... Hello? Hello? Oh, KJ. Oh, we've got KJ from Community Police on. Yep, you want to talk now? I was just going to go through the criteria for the video. No, all right, we'll go to you. We'll go to you. All right, are you ready? Yeah, your hair looks great, mate. Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, okay. Here we go.
Hey guys.
Kia ora.
Hey.
Just want to say good work that you guys have been doing on the road patrol. Keep it up and make sure you keep us safe. Kia kaha. Thank you.
Well, that was unexpected. Thank you for that, KJ. Has anyone seen Zara the zebra? I don't know where she's got to. Anyway, right, next, we've got 4 more videos. These are the final 4. And from one of these 12 finalists, we'll be picking our winner. So, let's see some snippets from those last 4 videos. Over we go.
We are the Paparangi patrollers. We like to stop all the rollers. A smile and a thank you is all we have to do. You just know that we have to. Peace out.
Oh, just like your teeth fit. We hold up a sign that says stop now. We cross, we clear, and we stop everywhere.
We cross, we clear, we stop everywhere.
Perfect job. Yeah, but well, nice and clean. Mission complete.
Fly by, but they stop when they see our signs. Screech, the cars will stop when they see our lollipops.
Like this when the sun is out, when we're in the good.
We're Converse every day. We really should get
Too bad, it's too windy, so we don't want to take the risk.
In term 2 and 3, if it's cold in the morning, we get Milo with marshmallows. Hey, Mrs. Martin, where's ours?
Everyone knows that we need these.
Here at Wellington Schools, we take this job seriously.
It's a really great opportunity. It helps you build up life skills and maturity and trust.
I like Road Patrol because I'm making sure people are safe. Here at Road Patrol, we do it in any conditions.
Well, who would want to be a judge? They've got the hardest job of all. All 12 of those videos have been fantastic. So let's go over to the judging room and see what's going on. Well, it looks like they're going to be a very long time trying to sort out the winners there. It's the toughest job they've got.
Oh, you're surprisingly strong.
Anyway, the next part we've got is we'll be Hello? Hello? Yep, I've got you. Who's calling? You don't know? All right. Well, we've now got a special message coming in from someone. Okay, we're going to go live to that right now. Okay. All right, let's go.
Yeah, thanks, Sam, and hello to all of you at the Wellington City Council, and hello, most importantly, to all of you road patrollers. You're doing an amazing job, and on behalf of myself and the Wellington Paranormal Unit, I wanted to say a big thank you very much for keeping people safe when they're crossing the road. Back in my day, Miramar Central School in Miramar, funnily enough, I was actually the road patrol captain, and I, in fact, attended the Orange Day Parade in 1986. Interesting. Another fun fact for you road patrollers that I'm sure you'll all love to know is that the first road patrol in Wellington was actually started at Berhampore School, and I live in Berhampore right now. What a coincidence. What are the chances? Anyway, like I said, thank you very much for all the hard work you do and keep people safe when they cross the road. And for me now, I've got to go back to work, so I'm going to cross the road. Watch this. Signs out! Cross now! See ya.
Well, thank you, Officer O'Leary. That was a great message and most unexpected. Now, let's see if we can catch up with your colleague, Officer Dan. Hi, Dan. Dan, it's Sam. We're still waiting. It's nearly lunchtime.
Hey guys, I'm almost with you. I'm in pursuit of a runaway zebra. I'll be with you in a few minutes.
I don't even know if I can wait that long. This is just taking forever. And we haven't even got the results of the video competition. We've got no Dan. I don't know. And the worst thing of all is that I'm really hungry. Are you hungry? It's way past my lunchtime. I'm absolutely starving. There must be something to eat round here. Oh, hi, Zara. How are you? Ah. That's really kind. An orange. Thank you so much. I hope you've been safe out there. But what I really want is the results of the video competition. Zara's got them. That's where they've been. Oh, great. Well, let's get these ripped open and see who the winners are. Thank you, Zara. Right. Well, there's a lot of fantastic certificates in here. And I think there's a lot of different winners. Let's see who we've got. First of all, the winner of the most orange video is Cashmere Avenue School. Congratulations, boys and girls. Next up, we've got the best documentary feel. And that winner is Churton Park School. Well done to you. Best stunts. What a great category. That sounds quite exciting. And that winner is Kandala School. Excellent work. Next up, we've got the most dramatic video. And this year's winner of that category is Kilburney School. Congratulations. The best use of chants. I think this was quite a noisy video, so well done to Miramar North School. Most informative video. That sounds like a big project. Who's the winner here? Oh, it's Newlands Primary. Best acting. Somebody's got a future in Hollywood. The winner of that is Nio School. Oh, who else could win this award? The Extreme Weather Award. It's no great surprise that the winner of this award in 2020 is Ofiro Bay School. I love dressing up, and here's an award for the best costumes and makeup. So congratulations to Paparangi School. Most epic cast. Oh, I seem to remember this video. No surprise that the winner is Redwood School. And we all like to play around, especially with special effects. And this video was the best special effects video of them all. And it went to Rewa School. And finally, who did the best interviews? Wadestown School. Congratulations, well done everyone. Let's see if we can find them some prizes. Zebra, no, not the zebra poo. Let's have a look. Ah! Look at this. Whitcoul's gift cards. Fantastic. What a great prize for every school. So well done to all our winners. Some great prizes on their way to you. Well, said it wasn't going to be long. They said it would all be really smooth. They said I'd get some lunch. They said Officer Dan would be here. Officer Dan hasn't turned up. We've got no idea who's going to win the trophy. Maybe it's not even going to be awarded, which seems such a shame. We saw some great videos, but really, I'm just going to have to, I'm starving. I'm going to have to go. I'm just completely over this now. Right, see you later.
Geez, you're really fast for a little zebra. Whoa! Hey team, Constable Aaron Dan speaking. Thank you for being part of the 2020 Road Patrollers team here in Wellington. Firstly, I'd love to thank all of you for doing an amazing job all the way through 2020. Also, the police would like to thank the parents, the teachers, and everybody involved in taking care of you guys while you've been out on road patrol. So, without further ado, the part that you've all been waiting for, who has won this year's Road Patrol trophy? And this year, the trophy goes to Karori Normal School. You guys did an amazing job. So your school community officer Taylor has told me, and she has nominated you, and you guys have won it for this year. Well done. On behalf of the New Zealand Police and myself, you guys rock. Thank you very much. What do we do now?
1, 2, 3, listen.
Okay then.